What's up guys, Emmanuel here. I got my car right here. Day 2, installed the headlights yesterday, and a part that I haven't installed and I've had for months, I bought a Greddy carbon fiber lip, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I already unboxed it a long time ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. To install this in the Hatchback Sport and any of the other hatchbacks, you have to change the lower grille from an SI, and I purchased that about a year ago, so yeah. And then I've had that ready from lip for about 5 months, haven't installed it, and the SI grill for about a year. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what those two items look like, and I'm gonna go ahead and also show you what the lights look like. I don't think I did that in the last video, but let me go ahead and show you guys what the car looks like. The new VLAN Type R style, touring style headlights. So there is the front bumper, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down right here. So we're gonna be replacing this lower grille here, this bottom piece with the lower grille from an SI. And let me go grab it real quick. We're gonna go ahead and swap. This is from the SI. And we're gonna go ahead and swap this one over for this one, and we're gonna put this on the new Greddy carbon fiber lip, and the Greddy lip goes underneath this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install this. And before I throw this away, guys, this is the part number for the lower grille. You can see it right there. Okay. So yeah guys, I got the Greddy carbon fiber lip here. Today's July 5th, 2021. I ordered this, believe it or not, I ordered it in December, and I've had it for quite a while now, but it does take some time to get to you because it is back ordered. There is quite a bit of a wait, but I got it around March, April. But yeah, it's like a 3-month wait period because they don't have them in stock. They're back ordered. I guess I have to make them. This grill I bought about a year ago, last summer, when I started modding my car, and this was actually planned to be done last year, but it was back ordered as well, and they didn't have really a time period, because a specific time period of when this was going to be available. So I ended up canceling this last year, and I bought the wheels that I got instead. Now that I have it, I'm going to go and show you guys what it looks like. I've actually already opened it. It comes with your installation instructions, so you guys can see. And like I said, I've already opened it. I've had it for quite a bit of time, just haven't installed it, I guess. So yeah, here it is, guys. We're gonna make down like this. And it comes with the hardware to install it as well. Give you guys a closer look. Here it is, guys. Greddy carbon fiber lip. If you turn it over on the inside, it's a Greddy performance product stamp. And then this is the hardware, and it has a titanium Greddy badge. But yeah guys, these are back ordered. I don't know about now, but I did buy this, like I said, at the beginning of the year, late last year, December, and I didn't get it till March, late March, early April. Here you have it. This is the grill, goes underneath this, or I say above it, and then I'm gonna have to drill holes into this. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do an install, so yeah, check it out guys. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set the lip to the side. This right here with some detailer spray. Pretty dirty. Here. This is an old blanket. So I'll let those somewhere like this. Show you guys, take a closer look. So all I have to do is drill hole on the plastic to be able to bolt on the little provided hardware, but that's what it's gonna look like. I went ahead and I cut the holes in here, and this one. Yeah. So yeah guys, I drilled the holes, and all that's left is pretty much, let's set this down. Drill a hole right here. Drilled holes. I kind of messed up on this one, but it should be fine. And then it's the second one here. But yeah, I went ahead and drilled holes on all of the provided spots once the lip was lined up. And now I'm gonna go ahead and install the bolts and the washers, and we'll go from there. Now before I reinstall this SI lower grill onto the Greddy, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clips on this bumper here. I'll go ahead and put this up here and show you guys. So I'm gonna remove this lower grill, and I'm gonna start off with removing these right here. that down. That's it, guys, we're done. This is all back in now. Make sure it's on correctly. Done. Now all that's left is to install the Greddy carbon fiber lid. Oh yeah! You can see.
No se rompa el plástico y ya la llegas ahí.
Thanks, folks.
Le llegas, le ajustas los tornillos.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the bolts on and washers, and then we'll tighten them at the end. So yeah, guys, update. Got the carbon fiber Greddy lip on. All I'm doing is installing the bolts and the nuts right here. And what mistake I made at first was I was putting one washer like this just at the top, and then what happened was that the whole bolt kind of went through and like sucked in. So I ended up taking these off and putting a washer underneath as well, just so that it's more secure. But yeah, guys, go ahead and set you down and keep working.
no, son más grandes. Son para tornillos más grandes.
Done.